Jubilee gose Mwananchi ngayo berete. Gose Linda Mwananchi ngayo berete.
Jubilee Party na Linda Mwananchi.
Linda Mwananchi ni faction ya ODM.
It's a Linda Mwananchi sekoligi y'abantu abange bali gari n'abantu balinge ODM bakaruororo kero bata agree with the program chialenkororo.
Yes.
And more especially broad-based arrangements. Baka form their faction. Ekoro kulinda wananchi. Inchenda se chama ku Jubilee.
Okay.
Jubilee Party is not Linda Wananchi.
True.
I work with Dr. Fred Matiang'i. I do not work with Sifuna. Bintombire na kwane ga igakaro kenda banta bange boboete gukwana. In the united opposition, we also have competing interests. Kura iguli ba okwana nga tebo muntu gochukoba a flag bearer as a united opposition. Taribo iko. Inche, I'm supporting Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
Okay.
I want him to be the flag bearer of the united opposition. What business do I have with Linda Mwananchi?
You tell me.
I have no business with it. Yes. I am putting my energy, my support, my mind, my influence. Engo sukuma umuraione Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
Right.
Egerabe the flag bearer of the united opposition.
Right.
Inkim biashara kimbo atengo enda go support Linda Mwananchi, go support Sifuna. Sifuna kera gocha kuocha se negotiating table. Ya gocha kuocha Sifuna n'abantu bae. Aribo yo. Jetindi kobero. Ngocha gocha Matiang'i n'abantu bae nje ngocha kobera. Egera tunyara ko negotiate paka toikere Dr. Fred Matiang'i obere flag bearer.
Right. Right.
Ego intetindi kwa n'abantu bae tindi ko koragasi na Linda Mwananchi. I am working with Dr. Fred Matiang'i. And if Dr. Fred Matiang'i has certain agreements na Linda Mwananchi, which I am not aware of,
right.
Lakini as it is, at least for the information that I have, is that these are two competing affiliations, lakini chire as a united opposition.
Right.
And it's possible na bora anyore Sifuna agocha koba agochugoturwaje kira tuchukwana ngaketa gete Dr. Fred Matiang'i president. Bona tingnyara ko mwachingu.
Right. Yes. Asante.